In this new video, I will show you how to make money with Amazon affiliate without a website, implementing the most effective and fastest methods. You will learn how powerful Amazon really is and how to get your cut of the most successful online business in the whole world. Hey guys, I'm Lucy from Online Income Success, the place where you can find important and valuable information on how to make money online. If you're new here, make sure you click that subscribe button and remember that you can find all the links to everything we mentioned in this video down below in the description. Should you watch this video? Well, this video is for you if you want to learn how to make money with Amazon, if you live inside or outside the United States, if you want to quit your job, if you want to start to earn money fast, and if you're new to making money online. If you really want to get the best and fastest results with Amazon Associates, then make sure you watch the whole video until the end. This is going to be a huge life-changing one for you. Okay guys, now jumping into the video, I just wanted to make it a little bit more clear for everyone watching this video, and I'm going to say that Amazon has the Amazon Affiliate Program or Amazon Associates, which is an affiliate marketing program, and it's completely free to join. This program then allows you to promote almost any product listed on Amazon and make a commission just by recommending them. So you can Google Amazon Affiliate Program and you have the URL right here. You can access the URL directly, or you can just click on this link and it will lead you to the Amazon Associates page. As you see here, it says it's easy and free to join. You can choose from over 1 million products to advertise to your customer and obviously get up to 10% in advertising fees, which is the commission that you can earn. It's up to 10%. Okay, so obviously the first step would be to join for free for Amazon Associates. As you see here, you can find the join now for free button. So if you have an Amazon account, you can sign in, or you can create your Amazon account right here. Down in the bottom is the button to create that. Click here and you will be asked to enter different information, but I'm not going to go into that. It's very easy to do. You just follow the steps, enter your information, and you're ready to go. Okay guys, so this next step is the most important one because it determines how you're going to start doing this business, and it is what you are going to promote. So you gotta ask yourself, what is it that you like to do the most? What is your passion? What are your expertise? What is it that you like talking about the most? Maybe you like running, there are many things that a runner needs. You need some special shoes, you need special clothing, you need special handwear, maybe special wash, or maybe some earbuds for you when running and they don't miss out, they function correctly. So you have to think that maybe if you like cooking, then what elements from that kitchen you like the most and which elements sell the best, and many other factors that you have to think about when choosing what you're going to promote. This is what other people call select your niche. So you specialize in certain types of products and you start from there. That's very important. So for instance, these cookers are great for marketing because of the price. This is everything that's higher than $100. It's a great product to promote because it actually leaves you a good commission, and this pressure cooker or pots are a great option if you're into the cooking niche. Okay guys, so think about what you will want to promote. What are you going to promote using this method? Which are your favorite products from Amazon? And don't think that you have to buy them with these methods. You don't have to buy them. You don't have to buy any of those products, just know what you want to talk about. Okay guys, so you have created your Amazon Associates account and you have chosen your niche or the products that you are going to promote, that you are going to talk about, that you're going to earn money from. And maybe I didn't mention that before, but the best thing about Amazon is that you actually are going to get commissions on everything the buyer gets after he clicks on your link. But I'm going to talk a little bit more about that into more detail later on this video. Okay, so our next question would be, how are we going to promote them? How are we going to promote our products? And the best and easiest and fastest and most effective ways to promote Amazon products are with videos. Okay, there are two types of videos, and the first group is called review videos, and we can also do something like a product versus another product, and in that category we can also do top 10 products or top 5 products. Now going back to Amazon, let's take for example this Instant Pot electric pressure cooker that we've talked about before. So I've searched this on YouTube and these are the results that have shown up. Okay, if you see here, the first video is basically an unboxing video. So this person just went and bought this Instant Pot and did a video while unboxing the bot. And this is a great method on creating videos, and this catches the attention of buying intended people. These videos are great for selling, guys, because if you come to YouTube and you're actually entering the reference or the name of the product that you want information on, is because you're wanting to buy it. So from these 10k views that this person received on this video, at least 5% of these views bought this product. Why is that? Because people are willing or are searching for more information because they're willing to buy the product. So this is a great way to get commissions from. So for instance, I've opened this video. This is another great way to make the video without buying this product. Okay, so I'm going to play it just a little bit to avoid, to avoid copyright issues. This video is more informative, a most informative video about the product. So this video is a obviously homemade video with some video editing software. These are just a lot of videos combined and they're talking about the product, but this person actually didn't buy the product and is still getting views. And as I said before, you don't have to get tons and tons of views for these videos because you are really wanting to make money with the links that you put in the description. So you make the video and you get your link from Amazon, and then you put it right here on the description of the video, and the buyer will click on this link and you'll get a commission for that purchase. So this is another type of video that you can make without buying the product. Also, what I've talked about, the other types of video that you can do is comparing different products of the same line. For example, this is the 6 best 8-quart electronic pressure cookers, and look at this, this has over 3,000 views. So this person did a lot of money, or is actually making right now a lot of money from this video, because this video was made in 2017 and is still getting views, guys. So if we click here, this person obviously just placed on the description the Amazon link to the product, and the person owner of this channel that did this video is getting money from these pots. If someone clicks on any of those links and gets this cooker, or if actually what I was talking about before, if someone clicks, for example, let's click on this first listed product, this, if someone buys this cooker but within the next 24 hours buys anything else different than a cooker, some shoes or maybe a TV set or anything else within the 24 hours after the person clicked on this link, the person, the owner of the video, will get a commission over all those things that this person bought. So that's what's great about Amazon. Maybe you've heard that the commissions from Amazon are lower than from other affiliate programs, but Amazon is the best platform because it's the most trusted one by buyers, because Amazon has a great way to make people put more things into their carts before they make the final purchase. So as for example here, this frequently bought together. So people just came here for this pot, but maybe they go with this, the original sturdy steamer basket, and the instant pot cookbook. So they've added more things to their cart, and if the more things, all of the things that they actually added to their cart, you will get a commission from. So that's the great thing about doing affiliate marketing with Amazon, guys. You'll get tons and tons of other things added to the cart of your customers, and you get commissions over all of those things. Here I have different other examples on great videos that these people have made without actually buying the pot. They just come together, they just found different videos from Amazon or images that are copyright free, and they've put up together a video, and they are getting, look at this, over 14,000 views from just August 21st of 2019, and getting commissions over those. And let's look into this one. This is another video that was made from images that Amazon already has. You don't have to buy the pot, and they created their own video, and they have here their link to the Amazon website for their commissions. What I like the most about this method, guys, is that you will not only get commissions from the sales from the videos that you've made, but after you've reached 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers, you can also put Google ads on your videos and get money from those ads. So actually, if you work on with this method, you will get two streams of income, one being the Amazon affiliate commission, and the second one being the ads that you can put on your video after you accomplish the requirements from YouTube. Okay guys, so I showed you that you can make your videos really easy and you don't even have to buy the products. But if you don't want to make your own videos, you can hire someone to make them for you. So I recommend you come to this website which is Fiverr.com, and you can just search by video production, and here it is. Select this service, and you can filter by here, sort by best selling, and you'll get obviously the people that make, I think, the best videos. You can get great videos as low as $5, and you can tell that person that you want a review video on certain product. Okay, so you can hire here anyone that you choose from, and as you can see here, this starts at $5. You can negotiate with the person and just ask the person to create a review video for you, or a comparison video, or a top 10, top 5 video of certain line of products, and this way you get a good quality video that you can upload to your channel and start promoting those products. Okay guys, so this is what I recommend if you definitely don't want to make your videos yourself. We by now have the video that you made yourself or someone made for you. You pay someone to make it for you, and you have obviously your Amazon link for this product, your affiliate link for this product. And so now you want to upload it to YouTube. Obviously, to upload it to YouTube, you have to create your channel. Okay, so you have your channel, and then you upload this video to your channel with a great and complete title of the video. And and it is important that you put preview, unboxing, or review, because those are the keywords for people that are searching for more information on the product and that are willing to buy it. Okay, so please include on your title the words unboxing, preview, or review, or comparison if you're doing a comparison video. Okay, or top 10, well, that has to go in the title. And obviously, you also have to have a complete description, like this one here, where you put the name of the product, and obviously here you have your Amazon link to that product, and also add in some video tags. Okay, so when you're uploading your video, put in the important video tags, which are the different names that your product should have, so it ranks on YouTube and more people get to see your video, and obviously you will get more sales. And as I mentioned in the beginning of this video, in order to get the best results with this Amazon Associate technique or Amazon Associates method. But before we get into that, make sure you click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so we can let you know as soon as we have new important information on making real money online. Also, give this video a thumbs up, press that like button now so we can keep giving you more and more videos every week. In order to get the best results with this Amazon Associate technique or Amazon Associates method, I invite you to get into this 100% free live online workshop where you will learn how to make a full-time income on YouTube without making the videos. This is a great way for you to find affiliate products that sell themselves and quickly attract buyers without doing the keyword research. And you will learn how to make viral videos with your voice in 15 minutes without showing your face. And you will learn how to go from 0 to 1,000 subscribers in the shortest amount of time possible using the snowball method. Okay guys, so if you want to learn how to make the best out of this Amazon Associates method and expand your results, expand your channel, make it grow, and make your income even bigger using Amazon Associates, you should definitely attend to this 100% free web class. Okay, so you just click here and reserve your seat. Okay guys, so I hope you come into this event. There are limited seats. If you have any other question or you want me to explain in more depth about this method, please leave a comment below. We love to read you all. Thank you very much for watching, and see you on the next video.